I'm Dr. Anna Louthan, and I've been a cochlear implant audiologist since 2019. When a patient becomes eligible for a replacement processor, it's not just counseling and teaching the patient about the different options they have for replacement processors, but also asking the patient questions about current issues they're having. For example, is there anything that you feel like you can't do because of the limitations of your current sound processors? I have patients that don't feel comfortable in noisy environments because they don't feel like their processor can cancel noise enough. And they're always looking for the next solution to see if that is what solves their problems and finally gives them the comfort and the ability to go out and be in those noisy environments. One of the best improvements I've seen for patients who receive replacements with the Nucleus 8 sound processor and the Kanso 3 sound processors would be their subjective and objective speech understanding and noise. One of my favorite tools in my toolbox with my replacement Nucleus 8 and Kanso 3 sound processors has been SCAN 2 automated ForwardFocus. Not only is it reading the environment and adjusting on its own, but it's able to provide a reduction in noise. So whoever the patient's looking at, or whatever the patient's looking at, the patient is able to hear that person or that thing better. When a patient comes back to see me and says, finally, I have an option that actually makes me feel like I'm in control of my environment, that's a really big deal.